Huh?
the answers on the board?
Oh, I don't know it.
Wait,
Anybody?
what's the question?
Okay, listen.
Hey!
The systems that refers to liquid carrying vessels. We're talking about the blood vessels. Yeah. Vascular, your vascular system.
Word.
Thank you, Aaron. Before you get into the sheets, go there.
Alright.
Sit. The question is, this occurs when a heart attack causes the heart to completely stop beating.
Cardiac arrest.
Cardiac arrest.
Sure, it has to do with the brain.
That's it. Well, the definition for that, since you're thinking about it, when a ruptured or blocked blood vessel stops the supply of blood to the brain. Yes.
I know.
It's a stroke.
I just
An
said
aneurysm will burst. In other words, the blowout, the part of, like, I would look at it like a tire tube. If you had a tire, and the tire itself, the rubber tire, like that has the tread on it, was cut, but not the rubber tube inside. You with me? And the rubber tube came through the break. You understand? It would be like a bubble. You understand what I'm saying? So if that bubble in the brain breaks, it bleeds. An aneurysm is bleeding in the brain. You understand that you can bleed internally just like you can externally? You can get into a car accident and look perfectly okay, like you're not bleeding anywhere, but because the steering wheel came up, hit a rib, cracked the rib, and the rib